Oh fuck! Oh shit, that hurts. Fuck! Oh, what the fuck? Ah, that shit hurts. What the fuck was that? Ah, fuck! Oh my god, that fucking hurts. What the fuck was that? Ah! Got me on the thigh. Man, that shit was stingy as fuck. Oh my god. Ah, that hurts. That fucking sting. Fuck. Ah. It's like a bee sting me or something like that. It felt like that. I don't know. Ah. Okay. Ah, I think I got some skin. I don't know what the fuck was it. Okay. Ah, that shit hurts. Ah, so does. I need to check on it. Oops, kickstand. Yeah, that shit hurts. Well, it's like stinging really badly. Well, my battery died. I'm gonna try to park it over here. Yeah, it's a good spot. Alright, I know, I know I'm all sweating and everything, shut up. Alright, so I have some really bad news actually. So we're not getting into alright, this is real quick. I'm thinking about getting rid of the f4I. Well, not like selling it. I'm thinking about trading it for something else really. Like, what am I gonna get? Well, of course, it's going nothing like it's not gonna be a cruiser or anything. It's gonna be a sport bike, but more of a super sport bike, like a ZX6R or something like that. You might be asking, like, wait, so what's wrong with the f4I? There's nothing wrong with the f4I. It's just, you know, this bike was just a temporary bike to begin with. This bike was just a temporary bike to begin with. So really, there's nothing wrong with this bike, really. It's just, you know, it doesn't speak out to me, you know, you know how you would sit on a bike, and then you get that feeling that you just, something about it is right. Well, not this bike at all. Yeah, it still gives me that amazing feeling and everything, whenever I ride it. But to my heart, it just isn't what I want. You know, I know a lot of people say, oh my god, it's an f4I. You know, you don't see this bike around all that much at all. You know, these are rare bikes. You know, I've been taking care of this bike and everything. You know, I haven't been doing mods at all. I've just been doing like maintenance or the things I need. You know, I just recently put an oil change on it. And soon I'm going to do a valve adjustment on it. But overall, you know, this bike, it doesn't speak to me at all. Okay, you might wonder why I'm sweating so much. Well, that's because I need to get air. So I'm just going to go get air and just come right back home. So yeah. This quick. I need air from my front tires. This would go faster. If this car could go any faster. There we go. Hopefully the air's free over here. Aha, there it is. There we go. So yeah, you know, I'm not really all planning to keep this bike at all, because, you know, it's not the bike that I originally want, you know. You might be asking, Nightly, why did he get it then? I got it because, you know, it was a good deal. That's all. You know, it was a good bike, good deal. And, you know, it was 600, so I was like, might as well. Look at that. That's flat. Okay, someone left the tube over here. There we go. It's better. Get your ass over here. Oh wait, you gotta press the button first. But yeah, you know, this bike isn't just, you know, it isn't the bike that I wanted. Oh, that could have hurt. You know, this bike isn't the bike that I wanted. You know, it was just a temporary bike. Oh, shut up, you little Civic. Kids at it still again. Might as well take my gloves off. You know, I would say I'm about the at-gat life, but I was like, nah, not today. So I'm not a Nazi, a gear Nazi, so yeah. Oh my freaking, get your ass. There we go, finally. So as I was saying, you know, this bike was, you gotta be kidding me. You know, this bike was just a temporary bike. It was just a temporary bike, you know, it was never meant to be kept. Now, I am gonna admit that, you see how much I hate this? There we go. You know, this bike was just a temporary bike. You know, at first, I did love it. And I still do. But I kind of realized, you know, maybe this bike isn't something that I want. This bike is just temporary. You know, yeah, I'm glad I have it. You know, I'm glad I got to experience the right one. But I realized maybe not this bike. A little bit more. Man, to get one for my own. This is shit's annoying as fuck. There we go, that's better. But this bike was never intended to be a permanent solution, you know. I did love it, but then I realized, you know what, maybe this bike isn't for me. This bike was just for someone else, you know. It doesn't touch my heart. You know, this is really how it is. Aha. Alright, now to do my rear one. So I'm not looking for selling. I'm not looking to sell the bike. You know, I'm just looking to trade it. You know, if you have like a ZXXR, a GSXR, yes, I'm okay riding a Gixxer. You know, if you have any of those type of bikes, you know, you could let me know. Hey, you know, I live by the area of Arizona, prefer like Phoenix or something like that in Arizona. It better not be fucking like Utah, Arizona, or Flagstaff, or Scottsdale. Well, maybe Scottsdale. No, not even Scottsdale. No, not that far. You know, if you have a bike, you know, let me know, and we could, you know, make a deal or talk about it. And I've been taking care of this bike a lot lately. You know, always did the chain maintenance, always did the oil maintenance, everything. You know, if there's something wrong with it, always fix it. So yeah, if you have any questions about this bike, let me know. If you're interested of trading it in. That's funny. If you're interested in trading this bike, trading or like super sport in, let me know. Alright, now we could go. Whew. I recently put a new battery on it too. So yeah, and I'm looking for a different bike. I'm not selling it, I'm just trading it. The reason is because, you know, I still don't have the time to be selling my bike and looking for a different one. I don't have the time for that. And don't give me a bike like, oh, here's a bike for $6 grand. I want, you know, $6 grand for it that literally has over 40,000 miles, salvage title. Oh wow, this feels different already. Ooh, I like this. Salvage title, everything, you know, 5Ks, open trade. No. Even though it's $3,000 or less for a clean title bike with decent amount of miles. Oh my god, this thing feels different. Oh yeah, this just feels really different. Especially at lower speeds. Oh my god, that feels weird. No, I don't. I need to get used to this. It kind of feels like a new tire, actually, now I think about it. Man, was my tires really that flat? It's like, I could just like easily without like effort just like turn this bike now. But yeah, so if you're looking for a trade, you know, low miles f4I, 26,000 miles, clean title, never been stunted out, you know, let me know. You know, I was thinking maybe through like a 1,000 cc's. You know, I had this bike for about a year now, and you know, let me know what you think. You know, I'm really thinking about getting 1,000 and just keeping a 1,000. God, this, how the way it turns just feels different.